Welcome to this short demo. In this demo, I'm going to look at Amazon Web Services. They provide cloud computing resources, and I'm going to look at the EC2 compute for Amazon, and I'm gonna connect it to via remote desktop connection. And as you can tell, that will be an infrastructure as a provision by Amazon Web Services. So, as a short demo, I'm going to show that one thing, but there are multiple, so many things that can be done with Amazon Web Services. So let's get started. To start, you have to sign up to Amazon resources, and you require your credit card to sign up, and you can opt for free tier just for practices. So to sign up, you Google Amazon AWS Management Console, and you can sign up. I already have an account, so this will be easy for me. So yeah, once you have your account, there's a console home, and you can search the Elastic Compute 2 and select virtual servers in the cloud, and you will move to launch instance, we can give it a name, my AWS instance. Then I will select, you can select any from this, but I'm gonna select Microsoft Server 2022 base, and as you can tell, it's eligible for free tier. It is also eligible an instance type. We have several types. They're gonna go with this default one. Now to connect to our remote compute resources to our E2 instance, we will have to generate a key pair. You select RSA, then you give it a name, AWS key pair. Then we create, and it will download. It will download that key. Next, we move on to edit and allow remote desktop RDP traffic from anywhere that's let's allow that. You can configure storage by default. As a free tier user, you have 30 GB, and that is it. We can launch our instance. Our instance is initiated. Now you can click and as you can see, it's running. So to connect to our instance, we have to select it. Then we can connect via RDP client. Then you can download that RDP file to connect onto it. Then I'll go ahead and get the password. As you remember, we had our key, so here we upload our private as a private SHA key. This downloads the SHA key. Now we decrypt to get our password, and we have our password. So I can go back to downloads. Now I can run this. By default, it runs as an administrator. I will paste in my password. Maybe I click remember me. So yes. And there we have it, sir. Now I'm connected to Amazon remote desktop instance, and with this one, it actually has only 1 GB of RAM. So as a free tier, you just know how to use it. But if you have, let's say, a machine learning algorithm that you want to train it, this is where you can come and train your machine, train your model, train your model here, because there are so many compute resources, as you can tell in this remote desktop instance. And I'm connected to a server, a Microsoft server. Oh, if you want to manage your server, you can create it and connect to it. If you have some tutorials, or you want to configure services to your server, or you want to learn more about Microsoft server, you can use this to learn, though it will be quite slow as it's in free tier mode. And remember, in Amazon, you pay as you go and you pay what you use. So this is it.